Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Dominique, also known as Thaarealbabyd D on TikTok, and today I'll be showing you guys how I installed this unit for my upcoming wig line. This is the Sasha unit, and this is a 13x4 transparent laced 22-inch body wave. So if you would like to see how I installed this wig, keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to stay up to date on my next video. Mwah.
Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, baby. Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. I drop, baby, baby, drop, baby, don't drop. Drop, baby, baby, drop, baby, don't drop. Drop, baby, baby, drop, baby, don't drop. Drop, baby, baby, drop, baby, make it rock. Baby, 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 drop, baby, 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 drop, baby, 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 baby. Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Saying, yeah. Hey.
Fleet, this chain, talking about heat. Put it on, screw, right up, screw, screws.
Oh, okay, sir.
Right up, screw to a penthouse. Screw to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah. Niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to the beat. They don't want it. I beat. These niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No kill for the IG disease. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. Bitch, watch your mouth. Bitch, stay in your place. Bitch, get out the way. My bitch on your LQK. Yeah, no disrespect. The nigga be trippin', but we love, yeah. Swapping out cars with my bitch. I bought her the limo, she bought me the Ray. Swap it. Practice make perfect. Nigga, it's never too late. Never. I see the out of the snake. I take the soul out of the snake. Then I see the bills up out of the paint. The vlog and the media fake. Shout it DM me, I'm straight. I'm not gon' bite on the bait. Sippin' on toxic waste. On the low with your bitch in this grave. Mask on the face, Jason. Watch it, that's how we in shape. If I go broke, she gon' leave, escape. She gone. I put $2 million in the safe, just in case. Don't go my way. No cut. Street to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah. Niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to the beat. They don't want it. These niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No kill for the IG disease. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. Mouth still say what he wants to. Pussy still wet like a big bitch. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Bitches even wanna start fake beats. To sell a little weave in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb, they ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta purchase to launch. So fuck being tame, they'd rather be wild. Bitches is brandy, they wanna be down. Soon as these bitches got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. If us, you all hate me, bitch. Read my problems, nigga, suck my dick. That talking calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. I got the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout, do anything for clout. Bitches is mad, bitches is trash. Oscar the grouch, seeing me win, they gotta hurt. Ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? Bitch, not from the couch, back.
Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout.
I forgot to mention that all of the wigs that I will be offering on my website come lightly bleached and lightly plucked by the factory. And if you know me from my TikTok, I'm always in the comments saying that I gotta bleach and pluck all wigs. But with this wig, all I had to do was bleach the knots again. I didn't need to repluck nothing. You hear me? Nothing.
Anything for clout.
Let's get it. Hop off a 16 passenger. This a G5, no, this not a challenger. Big one. I keep some members with me in the fridge. Get cold seats, they some cannibals. Eaters. They like to geek. Drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. Now she say she singing 3D. I go in the jungle and ain't got a coat. I bet I come out with a mean. Do this shit for the fam, cause this shit bigger than me. Color stones in my infinity link. And in the factory masterpiece. I call him twin, could that be my brother? We got the same roller, he matching me. Nah, for real.
Water on me like the sun, carry some pointers. All these commas, I won't fumble. Me go gunners out the jungle. Me buy it all, fuck a front up, nigga. Cake on me, no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gon' chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot. Take 3 vibe to the trappies. Nigga one shit. I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick, nigga made one wrong move, just pop it. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby. It's crowded. Diamonds be dancing like Bobby. They dance. Don't touch it, dick like it be cocky. Don't touch it. Shroom and G's at the party. We get it. Bitch, it gon' trend on the top. Keep trending. The way I pull up, I'ma pop it, and none of these niggas gon' stop me. Pull up, gone. Put this shit on, get a cup for the drip on my motherfucking 5. Keep low. Keep stacking your bank, get bigger. Never would. I throw some shade on no nigga. Don't take. Little nigga, don't play with these niggas. I see the bitch picture. We up on these niggas. The huncho, the one you gon' call on me, nigga. I got your back, you gon' follow me, nigga. When I get up, we gon' ball on these niggas. Fucking shit up, cause we beat out the system. Water on me like the sun, carry some pointers. All these commas, I won't fumble. Me go gunners out the jungle. Me buy it all, fuck a front up, nigga. Cake on me, no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gon' chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot. Take 3 vibe to the trappies. Nigga one shit, I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick, nigga made one wrong move, just pop it. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this drunk. You know I get nasty. Move around at my house, try to taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to sell this drug. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this pill, 'cause I had to Up all night just dancing. I hit you like, please come home to me. But you're not understanding. No. Baby, please. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got the key. I just figured you could make time for me. Since you coming home intoxicated. Picture me rolling through downtown in the A4. Picture my signature on a pair of some J4s. Picture me caring with niggas saying on Wi-Fi they don't pay for. Knew I needed love, but I think I value the hate more. To push towards things that I pray for. Retrograde energy shifts to what I was made for. Don't you dare hit me back with no case, sure. Soon as I tell you that you the one I would wait for. You too saucy, too flossy. You moved in and moved off me. All the people niggas who just started to move bossy. Maybe I just handled you too softly. Them boys got no police in their blood. If your whole heart wasn't in it, I know a piece of it was. Most of that pic you sent me, it wasn't recent enough. How I'm supposed to wife it, you not Aisha enough. You love getting teed up, love showing the case, you know that they eat it up. Love touching the road as soon as it's heating up. Invited you over, you say that you showing up. All them spelling mistakes, I know that you drunk as fuck. All them other mistakes, let's let it be what it was.
And this is the final look of the install. Super cute. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next big install. Mwah.
I want you to change my mind. I'm praying you pulling up. Know who you be around. I know that they